Akahilz, live on the CoinMarketCap Alexandria. So we're going to be looking at a deep dive into the Cirus Foundation, Cirus Foundation. Article was done by Daniel Phillips and Tech Deep Dives. So guys, if you are not subscribed yet, you want to click on the subscribe button. Also turn on notifications so you get notified whenever we drop uploads. So looking at Cirus, it says okay, there's a video here. I was dropping a link so you can get access to it. We'll just be doing an overview on this project. So they say that in the age of internet, data is your biggest asset. Yet despite this, few of us actually successfully monetize our data, while most of us give it away freely. Part of this is down to poor data hygiene, while a good chunk of it is down to the simple fact that many people aren't aware of just how valuable their data is, even fewer know how to actually monetize it. So the Cirus Foundation is a new multi-layered ecosystem of blockchain-enabled products is attempting to resolve this problem by allowing users to take control of the data and to monetize only that which they are comfortable with sharing. So looking at what is Cirus, Cirus is an upcoming ecosystem that combines hardware and software-based solutions to build a data economy in which users can be rewarded for sharing their data. So the Cirus platform is centered around the Cirus hardware solution, a proprietary Wi-Fi router which allows users to easily secure and capture data from their connected devices and to share data within the Cirus ecosystem. So any shared data, if monetized, will generate a passive income for owners. So Cirus economy is powered by the Cirus token. All is distributed to users are in the form of Cirus tokens. So you want to check out these founders, Daniel and Samantha and Michael Oko. So looking at how the Cirus network works is as a data monetization platform. Cirus leverages a custom designed Wi-Fi router to automatically harvest selected data from any connected devices. So users are in full control of the types of data collected and shared with the Cirus network. So the Cirus aims for its users to have far more control over how their data is being monetized. The two versions of the Cirus device will be made available. Premium version will only be available direct to consumer and can either be purchased or earned by interacting with the platform. So these are some of the facts you need to understand. So user data is filtered and then processed by the Cirus software engine. I also want to note that this device is considered an optional entry route into the Cirus ecosystem. So looking at what makes Cirus unique, is as a platform looking to help users better monetize their data. Cirus incorporates a range of unique features that should help to deliver on its purpose. Working product, we have a working product here. Hardware, which is non-mandatory, data, NFT tokens, and layer 2 solutions. So in order to maximize the efficiency of network, minimize transaction fees, and deliver the most value to both data providers and purchasers, Cirus plans to integrate a variety of layer 2 solutions starting with Polygon or Matic. So guys, that's all you buy keys. I'll be dropping the link in the description box so you can get access to these minimal articles on CoinMarketCap. Keys, peace out, and don't forget to subscribe, guys.